You now rocking with Rips Whips. I think I just gotta adjust some of the little coilovers or whatever. Get it all straightened out. I gotta raise up this side over here. The passenger side. I need to bring it up just a bit. So you see a gap right there, comparable to the other side. This just so it'll be even till I get some rims. I haven't got any rims yet, so. But I'm getting a little clanking on the driver's side, so I'm finna get her up in the air. Check that out, pull the wheel off, pull all this stuff out of the trunk, kind of get to the coilover and see if it's just not tight. It seems like it's just not tightened down, like it didn't rock loose. I don't know how, but we get it straight.
When will you learn? When will you learn? Yeah, money out the buzzer, you turn. When will you learn? When will you yeah.
Yeah. So I'm finna get down here and let me show y'all. Let me show y'all. Just finna raise the coilover just a bit. I need to clean all this shit off. Finna raise them just a bit. Yeah, pretty much. That's what's going on right now. Just this side is a little lower than the other side, so we're just gonna even them out a little bit. Yeah, so I'm finna adjust the spring. I already started doing that, and then I'm gonna undo the coilover and stretch it out just a bit. Get it that little bit of ride height on this side. Yeah, got my new toolbox. Husky jump. Yeah. I need that. Cause boy, I can't find nothing half the time. I be running through here looking for stuff. Can't find nothing. So, you had to give me a new toolbox so I can get all of this stuff off the ground from over here. Got somewhere to put it all, plug it in, do my thing, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Gotta separate myself from all the bullshit.
I'm saying? It got the electrical outlet on the side. That's pretty dope. Got the electrical outlet. Nice little top for me to do some work on. You know I've been needing one of these, so. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start filling her up, you know what I'm saying?
Right. In a way, I will you like the old sound. Fit like 4 llamas, so messy. Really ain't no need to address it. Using my money as a fashion accessory. Sex nowadays is how we measure it. It's so shallow. But I don't give a though.
Alright, so I finally got it all pretty much together, you know. This is my new little setup. You know. Got my little box, so I'll use this to you know, for miscellaneous stuff. For miscellaneous stuff, fuses and yeah. And then got this drawer, got everything that I normally be using, so I can just. I really needed to be organized because it wasn't very organized before. I had stuff everywhere, couldn't find things. So now I'm stacked up, you know. Miscellaneous. I got a lot of damn tools. You don't never really notice what you got until you got a whole bunch of stuff. You know what I mean? Yeah. That's really the miscellaneous drawer. A whole lot of stuff in there. You know, house stuff. This is an extra drawer. I'm gonna end up taking some of that stuff out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is one thing too. It got look, hold up. Let me show you. It got the soft close. Whew, that's fancy. Yeah. But let me get all this. Look at all this mess. Get this whole little mess cleaned up, man. Yeah. Husky. I like it. So far, it's quality, you know. Nice big wheels on it, you know. Hey, I'm excited. Yeah. Peace.